Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write 10 lines essay on a winter morning. So let's start. First point is a winter morning. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write 10 lines essay on a winter morning. So let's start. First point is a winter morning and peaceful is cold. Second point is and the peaceful sun rises. Second point is late the in sun the morning rises. Late. Third one is in there the morning light fog. Third one is in there the is air light. Fourth is fog air in fields air fresh. Fourth is the and air cool feels dew fresh drops and shine cool on the dew leaves drops shine and grass on the leaves flowers and look grass right in the flowers soft look sunlight bright in the birds soft sit sunlight quiet on trees birds sit people quiet wear on trees warm clothes people and like wear to warm drink clothes hot tea and like and to coffee drink hot the roads and look coffee and empty the roads. And the last line is look I calm love winter and empty mornings very. And the last line is I much love winter. Thanks for watching.